Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Generac 6840 maintenance kit, designed to keep your 5500W to 8000W portable generators running smoothly. This genuine OEM kit is a game-changer for generator maintenance, offering trustworthy components specifically crafted for Generac generators. Inside the kit, you'll find essential maintenance items, including a shop towel, paper oil funnel, a quart of SA30 oil, 2 air filters, and a spark plug. These components cover key aspects of generator upkeep, ensuring longevity and reliable performance. It's crucial to follow the suggested maintenance schedule outlined in your owner's manual. Consistency is key to guaranteeing your generator's optimum performance over time. What sets this kit apart is its genuine OEM Generac parts, providing peace of mind with components designed for compatibility and reliable performance. Plus, being made in the United States, it adheres to strict quality standards. So, if you're a proud owner of an 8000W Generac generator, this maintenance kit is a must-have. Keep your generator in top shape with the Generac 6840 maintenance kit, your ticket to reliable power when you need it most. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.